Hello, good morning everyone. In today's lesson, I am going to discuss to you about Microsoft PowerPoint. And Microsoft PowerPoint is a very well-known program that is developed by Microsoft. Now, it's a presentation software. That means it allows its users to create slides so that we can convey information through multimedia. In this, you can combine text, graphics, and multimedia content such as videos or pictures. Now, here are the parts of Microsoft PowerPoint. So here, as you can see, this is the office menu, and then the quick access toolbar and the command group, which is very well known because we can see this almost in all Microsoft applications. Also the title bar, which shows the title of your presentation, your command tabs, the ribbon, this whole thing. Now, here in PowerPoint, we can see the presentation view. This is where we can put up all information that we want to share. Okay. Now, if we want to add notes, we can put notes down here. Also, status bar. We have here the document view, such that we can see if it's in, or if we want to make it into, or if we want to show the slideshow already. Now, for the zoom, it can be seen at this corner, the lower part. Now, one thing that you can notice in PowerPoint is that you can see the outline pane. Here, you can see a smaller version of your presentation view. And here you can take note of which slide you are currently doing. Okay. Now, in the first lesson, I'm going to show you how to add a slide and also how to delete a slide. Now, as you open your Microsoft PowerPoint, you will be directed to this window. Now, to add a slide, so here we have one slide, and if we are going to make more slides, we will just click this icon or click the new slide if you want to customize what slide you are going to add. Is it only a title or title and content, or if you want to show comparison? Okay. Now, let's try to click this one. So here you go. You have another slide. Now, if we add too many slides and then we want to delete it, this is what we're going to do. Just click the slide that you wanted to delete, okay, like this one, and do a right click. And you have the right click, you can click delete slide, and there you go, it's deleted. Also, if you want to copy a slide, do the same thing. Just right click and click copy, and click where you're going to paste them. Is it after or before or in the middle of some slides? And right click again and click paste. Okay. So that's how we add and delete a slide. Now, let's try to add some background. Now, to add a background to our slide, all we need to do is click on which slide you want to have a background. Now, just do a right click outside and click format background. And kindly click here picture, and then click for file. Now, after you click the file, you choose which background you wanted to use. Choose a background that is neat, not some background with some unnecessary noise. So let's try to have this background, and then click insert. So there you go, your background has been chosen. Now, let's try to change the layout of our slide. Now, to change the layout of our slide, we wanted to make this slide into a title slide. So all we're gonna do is click here for the layout. We wanted to make this only a title, so let's just click title only. So as you can see, it's changed directly. Now we can move the box. Depends on where you want to put it. So I would like to put this title box here in the middle and see and check if this would look good. So let's try to say Microsoft PowerPoint. P is capital. Now in this format, this is just the same with how you do in Microsoft Word, where you insert a picture or a text or an image. So here, let's put this in the center. Make it bold. Let's make it bigger. Okay. Now, it's up to you how you're going to change its fonts and designs. So that's how you change the layout. Now let's try to insert some pictures and delete if we don't want to have them in our slide. So this is what we're going to do. So here, for our title, we changed it into importance of hand washing. And now we wanted to put picture that is related to what we want to share. So all we're gonna do is kindly click here in the insert toolbar. When we click in insert toolbar, we can see here pictures or online pictures. If you have the internet, kindly click to online pictures, or if you have saved pictures already, just click pictures. Now let's try to search hand washing. Okay. Now after clicking hand washing, we're going to choose which picture we would like to insert. Now it's being downloaded, and there you go, it's inserted. All we need to do now is to change it the way we want it to be seen. You can make it bigger or smaller and where you would like to put it. Okay, that's how you insert a picture. Now, a simple tip, kindly insert a picture that is necessary only. Do not put pictures that is not part of your discussion. Like for example, your topic is all about hand washing, but then you insert some birds or other stuffs not related. It would be unnecessary, so kindly delete them. So to delete a picture, we are just going to click this file, click the picture that you want to delete. You can have right click, you can just click delete in your keyboard. Okay, when you click delete in your keyboard, automatic it will just be deleted. Or another way of putting pictures in your PowerPoint is through copy and paste. You just simply go to Google Chrome, find a picture, and copy the file, and then paste it in your slide, like how we did in Microsoft Word. So that's how we insert a picture and delete a picture. Now, let's try to put some transitions on our slides. And how do we delete a transition in our slides? So watch this video first. We want to put some transitions so that our presentation would not be very boring, just like a plain slide. So let's try to add some transitions. Just go to the transitions toolbar, menu toolbar. Now kindly choose any transitions that you want. There's so many transitions, just like this one. It would be like that. So it depends on your choice on how you would like your presentation would be, like that. And as you notice, when you apply a transition to a slide, you can see this star at the side. So that means that slide has a transition. If you want to put transitions on all the slides, just click all the slides by holding the control key and click the transition that you want. So automatic all the slides will have the same transitions. But if you want to choose different transitions in every slide, just click the slide and change the transition. Now, if we want to delete the transition of that slide, just click the slide that you want to have no transition and click none. So after you do that one, you can see that at the side, the star that signifies the transition is gone. So that's it for putting transitions. Now let's try to put some animations or delete some animations in our presentation. Now animations is a very important tool in our PowerPoint presentation. It can either make your presentation better or it can make your presentation confusing. To make your PowerPoint presentation better, kindly apply the appropriate animation for your presentation. Do not put very many animations because it will make your audience feel confused or they might not understand what you really wanted to tell them. Now for the animations, it can be done with words, objects, and pictures. Okay, you can even have for the videos. Now to add animation, just click the animation pane first. The animation pane lets you see what animation did you do to a certain element in your PowerPoint presentation or in your slide. So now we would like to put animation on our title. Maybe we can have it in a form of an entrance. For example, we want to make the entrance into like this, to make the zoom. Okay. Now, we want to emphasize it, so we can try to add emphasis, but usually we just put entrance. But if you would like to have some emphasis, you can click any emphasis. Okay. So let's see how it's done. Let's change our entrance first. Zoom. Okay. After clicking the entrance, click again the word, click add animation, click emphasis, color pools. So now you go. You have two animations for the title. You can see those animations in the animation pane. Let's try to see what would it look like. So you click play all. So that's how it would look like in the presentation. Now if you don't want to do that one, you wanted to delete that kind of animation, you can just click which part you would like to delete. Click here. Now click this small button and click remove. So here, the color emphasis was gone. If you want to delete everything or all the animations, here also, and then you can see nothing in the animation pane. That means you don't have any animation at all. Okay, so that means that will make your PowerPoint presentation clearer, but it would be a little boring. Okay, so apply proper animation for every, or not really every, for some items in your presentation. So those are the basic things that we can do in Microsoft PowerPoint. Those are basic skills that we must know. Now for your work, kindly make the 2 PowerPoint presentations that I would like you to do in your assignment. Kindly do the what are the proper things to do when, or how to spend your time wisely during the quarantine, and the importance of hand washing. Now if you want to ask more questions, you just kindly email me through my email address given in the stated in the announcement part. Thank you.